Alrighty guys, I am super excited to bring you a recipe video today. I was given by Keto Chow some of their new flavors that just came out. Strawberry cream and vanilla cream Keto Chow, and guys, they are so good. I have tried the vanilla and the strawberry from their older line, and this just totally by far exceeds expectations. I've already tried the vanilla, and it has this like real rich vanilla flavor rather than being kind of like bland vanilla, which is going to be super great in my yogurt concoctions and my smoothies and all things like that. But the thing I'm really excited to try is the strawberry cream, and I decided that I wanted to try making it into a protein waffle, right? So the ingredients that you're going to need is you're going to need a protein powder, and today I'm using the strawberry cream Keto Chow. You need some baking powder, you need eggs, you need a little water to thin it out, and that's pretty much the entire ingredients list. I do add a little sweetener to mine because I like them to be sweet. You do not have to do that. And I'm going to show you the little clips of me making these. Alright, so I broke off a piece without anything on it so that I can try it and see if it tastes like strawberry. I'm hoping that it does. Wow. Definitely more strawberry flavor than before. If you liked strawberry Keto Chow before, you're going to love this new strawberry cream. Definitely don't need to add any extra strawberry to the mix to make it taste. Definitely like strawberry. Yum. Super good. Thank you to Keto Chow for sending me these. I am loving the new flavors. Don't forget, they also have a new vanilla cream that has a most vanilla flavor that they've ever had. It's not bland, it's just really yummy. And the link to get your hot little hands on these is in the About section below, so don't forget to check that out. And thanks again for watching this recipe. We'll talk to you all again soon.